So today we are going to look at a math SAT problem. I actually got this problem from the SAT College Board website. A figure is given, so if you look, you have a straight line going through the origin and a point is given. So we notice this line uses the linear equation. Let's read the question. In the xy coordinate plane above, line L contains the points 0, 0 and 1, 2. If line M not shown contains the point 0, 0 and is perpendicular to L, what is the equation of M? Now right now as a student, you should highlight information on the question that is important. So line M not shown contains the point 0, 0. I'll try to underline that in my test. And it's perpendicular to L. That's also important. And most importantly, what are we looking for? The equation of M. We do this so that during the test we won't lose track of what we are looking for, because that is a common error that a lot of students will commit. After this, we should actually look at all the answers. Notice all the answers are equations in the form of y equals to something of an x. When y is isolated, we notice that this is actually what we call the slope-intercept form, where m, a constant, is your slope, and b, another constant, is your y-intercept. Now, as you remember, y-intercept is the point on the line that actually goes through the y-axis. In this case, if we're looking for line M's equation, line M contains the point 0, 0, which is at the origin. Now, this is essentially the y-intercept, which means y-intercept for the line M will have b equals to 0. Now let's look back at all the choices. Notice that choice B and choice D has 1 and 2 respectively for B, which is not correct. So we can immediately eliminate 2 answers. Now what's next? We should look at slope. To find slope for line M, we actually, because it's perpendicular to the original line L, we should actually figure out what line L's slope is, and then we can apply the negative reciprocal property of a perpendicular line. So let's write it down first. If slope of line L is, say, a random number, A, then this perpendicular line M should have -1 over A as its slope. So our task right now is to look for the slope of line L. 2 points are given, 0, 0, 1, 2. If we want to look for the slope, we can apply the slope formula, M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Rise over run. Now respectively, I can actually name this x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is foolproof. I will just plug it in, 2 minus 0 over 1 minus 0, which gives you 2 over 1, which equals to 2. Now actually, you can also do 0 minus 2 over 0 minus 1, and it will give you the same answer. As long as, when I start from y2, I will also start from x2 to minus the other coordinate, alright? Or else you'll get the wrong sign. So now we actually figure out what the slope of L is, which is 2, which means the slope that we are looking for line M will be in the form of M equals -1 over 2. Now we actually have all the information we need for the linear equation for line M. It will be y equals the slope -1/2 x plus 0. So we can ignore that. Y equals -1/2 x, choice A. That will be your answer.